Hello everyone, I'm here today to talk about the cryptocurrency called Ethereum. It's different than Bitcoin, Litecoin, or any of the other altcoins by a lot of different things, and you can read about those in the links below. But today I wanted to show everyone how to mine Ethereum on a pool. Pool mining is probably the best way to go, since solo mining is not very feasible unless you have a bunch of computers and graphics cards. The main way to mine this stuff is with a GPU. You can CPU mine, but again, it's not going to get you much. So you're going to want to stick with a GPU. There is a requirement for the graphics card if you're going to mine Ethereum. And that is that it needs to have 2 gigs of graphics RAM. And that's for the allocation of the DAG file. Alright, so if you meet all those requirements and you're still interested, the first step is going to be to go to the link in the description below, and it will bring up this page. This is a GitHub page with a full zip folder full of everything you'll need to mine Ethereum. So just go ahead and click download zip. I already have it, so I'm not going to bother downloading it again, especially since I'm on DSL still. Welcome to 2016! Alright, before we go any further, we need to install a couple of things, one of which is a Microsoft C++ Redistributable. Just go ahead and download that. The next thing you're going to need, depending on graphics cards, is the CUDA setup for NVIDIA or the AMD SDK for openCL 3.0. And I have links to both those in the description below, along with the Microsoft Redistributable. So once you got everything installed, you can go ahead and run the check hash rate benchmark. And I'm just going to run that quick. So you can see that everything works. It's able to prep the DAG file, so on and so forth. And I'll let it run to just show you guys a hash rate I get off my 770 here. So you got, looks like an 8 mega hash rate off this card, which isn't too terrible, seeing as it's a NVIDIA card, not AMD. AMD usually outperforms NVIDIA when it comes to the cryptocurrency world. So that's not bad by all means. Go ahead and close on that now. Alright, so now our next step is to get an account address that we can use for pool mining. So right here, I am VNC'd into one of my computers, which has a lot of my cryptocurrency mining stuff on it. And I have right here Ethereum Wallet. You can get that off GitHub, and I'll give you a link in the description to it. Now this is a nice application because it'll let you set up an account and a wallet, and you'll need that for sending and receiving stuff, or sending and receiving Ethereum. So we're going to go ahead and create an account. So I'm just going to put in something gibberish for now, because I'll probably get rid of this later. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video. Alright, so we can see there that it generated a new account. Now, once that's done, you'll see the account address. This is what we're going to be mining to. So copy that down and keep it somewhere handy, because we will be using that quite soon. Alright, so the next thing you're going to need to do is to pick a pool. I myself am using Nanopool, which simply nanopool.org. The help section here is going to be useful for copying and pasting some things for your batch file. Your batch files is what you're going to run every time you want to start mining some Ethereum. So what we're going to do here is simply copy the simple example. We're going to copy it all the way up to the address. Now, I already have my batch file set up, so you can see here I have pasted what we just copied. You're going to enter a backslash and then enter your address. Follow that by a backslash, and you can add a name for each machine you're mining on. And again, you don't need that. and then a -G, which just tells the program that you're mining on a graphics card. And you're going to want to take that and save it as a .bat. I already have one. We'll write it. Once that's all done, you can go to where you just created that batch file, which should be in the EasyEthereum mining folder. Once you find that, you just simply open it, and it's going to grab the DAG file and then create it. Mine's already all set up, so it just went pretty quick. You can see it up top here where it says that it grabbed DAG packages, so on and so forth, and then it just starts hashing away. So that might take a little while, could take up to 10 minutes, and I think that's also dependent on your internet. Now, once you've been mining for a while, you probably want to know how much you made. So what you're going to do is take your address that you were using to pool mine. Again, since it's a long address, I usually just copy and paste. Copy that out, and we're going to go to the nanopool page, and you simply just punch in your address. Again, it might take a little while once you first start mining for currency to show up. And here is mine over the past couple days. As of recently, I haven't been mining too heavily, but you can see that there's been a Ethereum deposit. It tells you your current hash rate, your average hash rate over 6 hours, approximate earnings, all that good stuff. And again, that's why I like this pool over some other ones. So if you're running your batch file to run the Ethereum miner and it looks like it's mining, and you've checked your address and it has Ethereum in it, everything's set up and you're running perfectly. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, and there'll probably be more videos up. I'm thinking about doing how to cash out Ethereum into your wallet with the Ethereum Wallet program I showed earlier. Again, thanks for watching.